Hello, everybody. Good morning and happy Monday. Thank you for joining me this beautiful Monday. Wow, yesterday here in Southern California, in my area anyway, it rained and we were going to a NASCAR race. And so when it rains, they stop racing. As you can imagine, it's not the safest when it's wet, and usually when it's raining like that, then they have to, when it finally stops raining, then they have to literally dry the track. So I was praying that it didn't rain because they don't give you your money back. So lo and behold, we get there and it wasn't raining at all. It didn't rain and it was a wonderful day of racing. So it was cool. I wanted to come on here for you guys because I have a package here that I wanted to open with you. I have not seen what is in it. As you can tell, it is sealed. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And what it is that I have been asked by Pen Chalet to do a review on a couple of their fountain pens, and I count it as a real honor that they even asked me. But the fact that they are a wonderful company to work with, I have purchased a few fountain pens from them, and let me tell you, I've been very pleased with the customer service. They have been great and they've been really super easy to work with. So all that to say, when they asked me to do a couple of reviews of their pens, I was more than happy to do it because of the fact that it's a company that I really support. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. They showed me the ones that they were going to send me, but I'm not familiar with those fountain pens. And so we'll see. I'm not sure what color they sent me or anything, so we'll see. This is just an initial review, just a box opening, really. I will do a more full review once I use it for at least a week or two, both of these pens, okay? So here we go. So exciting. Anyway, so actually this is the first company I'm reviewing. So how cool. Ooh, I get a sticker, yay. The right tools for the analog writer, penchalet.com. Okay, it looks like they've sent me one for now. I know there were two of them that they wanted me to review. So, wow. Well, this is a nice box. It's called Venue. And it's Yellow Tattoo is what this one is called. Ooh, I love yellow. How did they know? I don't think I told them what color I liked. Okay, so it comes like this. Comes with a refill. Looks like a blue colored refill. Comes with this product info. Cute, cute. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh my. Wow. Fancy, fancy. Nice. Okay, let me open that up. Okay, so it has a one that you can also fill with your own ink if you'd like. Or they give you a refill with it. It comes with it. Very cool. I'm probably going to use the refill that comes with it being that I would like to check out the ink as well. So I'm going to try that first. What is the nib? The nib size? Let me see. So exciting. Look at the detail on that. Interesting. Anyway, I shall try it this week. I'm going to be doing a lot of writing this week. So, guys have any questions or anything? I'm looking forward to trying this out. It's a new company to me. Anybody ever try this company before or have a pen? Bennu. I think that's how you say it. All right. Well, if you guys don't have any questions or anything, just wanted to share this with you guys, and look for that video of the review once it's up. It is beautiful. Very nice. Let me see how it feels. Wow, it's very light, and it actually does feel good. It feels like it's the right thickness for me. See how it, oh, and that feels nice when you cap it. Probably a little bit heavy capped for me personally in the way I like to write. But it's not short that it feels weird to write with it. Sometimes when it's too short, it just doesn't feel right in your hand. But this feels really good without it being capped. So nice. Alrighty. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and go, you guys. Have a great Monday. And I will talk to you guys soon. Oh, Alexis has a question or a comment. I've heard of them, but don't have any of their pens. I don't know much about them. It is a lovely looking pen. Yes. So, well, we'll find out, Alexis, soon. Alrighty, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great Monday. And as usual, keep on documenting life as it happens. Bye-bye.